Throughout history, humanity has raised monuments that defy time. The pyramids of Giza, the great cathedrals of Europe, the silent stones of Stonehenge. But behind their grandeur lies a hidden code, a secret language of numbers, proportions, and patterns. This is the geometry of sacred spaces, where architecture meets mathematics and mathematics touches the divine. The Egyptians aligned their pyramids with the stars, encoding celestial precision in blocks of stone. The Greeks built temples on the foundation of symmetry and harmony, inspired by the teachings of Pythagoras, the man who believed numbers held the secrets of the universe. These were not just buildings, they were mathematical prayers carved into stone, designed to echo eternity. In the Gothic cathedrals of Europe, geometry soared towards the heavens. Rose windows blossomed in spirals of the Fibonacci sequence, while pointed arches and vaulted ceilings turned stone into frozen music. In the Islamic world, artists wove infinite tessellations, repeating patterns that symbolized the boundlessness of creation. And in the Renaissance, thinkers like Leonardo da Vinci revived these ideas, blending art, science, and human proportion into designs that reflected the universe itself. Modern science reveals that these builders were not only artists but engineers of the unseen. Cathedrals were designed to resonate with sound, amplifying choirs into otherworldly harmonies. Fractals, the repeating patterns of leaves, rivers, and galaxies, emerge in sacred geometry, showing that what was once mystical now finds explanation in mathematics and physics. Without knowing the equations, they had already touched upon the hidden architecture of reality. From the desert sands to the Renaissance studios, geometry became a universal language, a bridge between the material and the spiritual. It whispered of order within chaos, infinity within boundaries, and a connection between humanity and the cosmos. The geometry of sacred spaces is more than design. It is a message from the past that numbers, patterns, and proportions are not merely human inventions, but keys to the very fabric of existence. And perhaps these same patterns still shape our modern world in ways we barely notice.